Want to forget about 10-12 hours hard working and make good money for you and your family? Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the way how I made $200 in just 1 hour. Watch this video till the end and you will get all the tools needed for a successful trade in just 10 minutes. I will show you how I set up trading system. Additionally, I educate the pitfalls to watch out in order not to lose the money. So let's get the party started. Well, let's begin. Setting up the indicators, we need the Donchian Channel and Fractals. Everything has been added to the chart and it's time to take care of parameters. I set the period of 18 for a Donchian Channel. Also, I would like to have the indicator in the white to make it more noticeable. Let me remove the background. We simply don't need it here. Now everything is ready for work. Donchian is set and the fractals are unchanged. Let's make a closer look at trading signals. We analyze the channel carefully and watch now the price response to it. The main focus is on price bonus of the channel boundaries, as the asset is always inside. The fact is that any signal bounce of the boundaries indicates a market reversals in the opposite direction. As you can see, this happens all the time. Here's another important point. Its works doesn't matter what the price move in a waves within the channel, and all we need to do is catch the next reversal. Here is a basic of our strategies, but there is another signal, the breakout of the central line. The price almost always moves in the direction of the breakout. If you see a breakout, it's time to open a trade, at least consider it. With the first indicator, everything is clear, but we also have a second one for a better understanding of price movement. Fractals highlight key supports and resistance zones, which can be used when opening trades. A breakdown towards indicate a decline, while an unbounded breakdown shows growth. We simply draw lines from the fractals and observe where the price is going. This is a very simple and reliable tool. Fractals also help us see potential reversal points when an asset bounces off and reverses. It's a good sign for a change in direction. These actions often coincide with the several form more boundaries on Donchian Channel. In this case, it is even better sign. Well guys, enough of theory. It is a time to put everything into practice with real trading. I will change the chart, find the first suitable trade deal, and we will start our analysis. Let's go. Let's get our trading success started. The classic EUR/USD pair is offering the opportunity to open the long. I am in the market now. Let's work situation out. We draw the lines from the fractals and focus on the farthest key fractal and the most recent one, which has already been broken upward. Now the price is approaching to more long-term level. Here is a level that the price will still have to reach. We also have a breakdown of the central line. There was a bounce from the boundary earlier. The asset is generally going up and we are taking an active part in this growth. While the expiration is ongoing, I would like to emphasize that it is very important to test a strategy on your own. Don't rush to replicate everything immediately. Take the time to conduct your own testing to make sure that strategy works for you. Also free join my channel where I regularly analyze the best strategy with highest return. One of them are definitely help you to achieve success. Meanwhile, the trade is almost closed. Well done, I look the profit at last second, guys. Things are unfolding perfectly here, so I am saying on the chart or now. I will back in just a few seconds. When the market offer opportunities, it's worth taking advantage of them. Alright, I'm back in the market. The chart is confidently moving upward, so I expected the asset to raise to a new relative high. Let me show our target. It based on this fractal and the chart should climb every higher. This is another useful tool that fractals provide. They indicate the levels the price is likely to reach. After touching the target, the currency pair might reverse, but asset is almost certain to reach that level first. All that left for us to do is observe. If the chart closes above the highest point, we can open a long position. If it is reverse, we will open a short position. Simply put, we are full in control of that situation. As the asset is showing tremendous growth, I am calmly waiting. Done. I close the trade as planned and the asset continued to go up rapidly. This means that we are trading for the price to increase. Just 5 more seconds and I will enter the position again. Okay, I am in the deal. Let's take another look at what's going on with the asset. The time is rising and has broken through a key upper fractal. This means that the currency pair isn't planning to reverse, in spite of the fact that it has been trading near the upper channel boundary for a while. The trend's strengths remain intact. Now you know how to get the most out of the strategy. The channel provides entry points. Fractals also show effective signals and they serve as indicator of trend, continuing, highlighting a next price target. With the Donchian Channel, we determine the entry points, and with fractals, we analyze the strength of the movement and continuously receive signals that can hit at what like to happen next few minutes. That's the enhance of the strategy, which I will demonstrate through the series of perfect trades in a row. And yes, the third one also closed in profit. Now we can switch the chart. I will also show you another asset for variety. Let's go. Okay, I will found a good entry point which is worth your attention. I will enter at the start of a new minute and show you everything in detail. So here is a trade for a price increase. Now you will see why move makes sense. First, we are focusing on the bounce of central line. At this moment, buyer became active and the price started to rise. There is also level from a fractal that was previously broken. By the way, the aligns perfectly with the breakout of this central line. Everything suggested that we are about to see an exact growth. So let's check it out. That is just great. The asset is performing exactly as we hoped, immediately showing an explosive growth. Now we just wait for our expiration to finish. This is exactly what it means to trade within a high quality system, guys. That is why you should always strive to find the strategy which will bring you profit. Alright, we are down to final second and yes, another trade close. Guys, almost $200 in about 30 minutes are active trading. I think what is a fantastic results. So it's time to wrap it up and summarize our trading session. Friends, trading is hard work, a craft in which you must constantly grow to stay at the right level. No one states that things will skyrocket from the very first attempt, turning you into millionaires. But the more you progress, the higher your chance of absolute success. Today, trading strategy could be your first towards success trading. I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy this content and want to see new episode, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Also, share your thought on this video and let me know what you like to see next. I'm looking forward to see your feedback, guys. For more details, breakdown and other trading system, check out my Telegram channel where you will find loads of helpful content. For example, signals that will give you profit. Plus, there are promo code that gives you 50% bonus on your first deposit in pocket option. That's all for now.